if I will ask you that go to the US and Canada for your settlement with the better job, so your answer is yes or no? So yes guys, I am talking about the brain drain. The brain drain, if we can explain in the simple way, so the question means that the people the people are migrating to the another country for the better life jobs and also and settlement, and by this are the so many it is not good because if you can see the our talented members are going to the another country and not working to our country, so our country cannot be developed. And by this only we can get to know about this that we should not go. But your answer is yes because of settlement. But if we talk about the whole our India, so answer is no, because by this our country will be not developed. Our talented peoples are going to the another country, and by this our means development effect, by this unemployment also, because if the person is good and give the more jobs to the another people, so it can be a better option, because if he takes chance to go to the another country and settle, by this it will not work. And also you can see Mr. Ambani, Ratan Tata, you can see this, our famous businessman of our country. By this you can be you can go, you can also by this you can learn. And also brain drain will is if it is good, so how? Because of our if the brain drain is good for only of the selfish way, because by this the talented peoples are going less. Rate is like this, the talented people and then another country people. And if you can see the US development, how it is possible, because of the countries person who are talented and go to jobs to the another people, and by this only they are more developed. And also by this only means in their country no means go to the another country job, only few people goes. By this we can learn that if we have to job, so do in, like for example the one of the famous speech of the US software company chief CEO have said that the India have the talented software employees, but they are not choosing, because the country do not have their own means this much company to affordable for them. So I am affording in the less price also of according to them, and by the as they are settling. If they are not, so our company cannot be become, and more than 70 or 80% people are from India only in my company. He has said this line, you can also search this. And by the as we will get to know about that the brain drain is bad for every country. And by this the development, if we think the no wars, the no wars, no destroying like the missiles, like war are going. So by this, for this, if every people of the country will think that I have to develop our country, by the developing we have this kind of missiles that we cannot war also by this. And thank you for watching my video. So till then we will till then bye, we will catch up in next video with the better information. Thank you.